Hi guys, and welcome to Always Sunshine, where we try to bring a little bit of sunshine to your makeup. And in today's video, we will be revealing our June giveaway winner. As you guys can see, we are already at our trusty computer at our YouTube random comment picker. So we will go to our video and we will copy right here. Then we will go back to our YouTube random comment picker, and guys, as you can see, we will paste the video. For this video, the only filter we will be using is our duplicate users. The comment, as you guys know, for this video, it was anything that you guys wanted to write to me. Thank you very much for your lovely comments. So now we are gonna get our unique number of comments, and the number for this video is 98 amount of users. So now we are gonna go right here and use our start button, and our winner for this month is Ms. Mari Carmen Arc Achoa, and her comment was, "I love your makeup, you look wonderful. Thank you so much for another great opportunity." So Ms. Mari Carmen, you are our lucky winner. Congratulations for the month of June, my love. So the next step will be for you to contact me at AllwaySunshine@gmail.com so I could get these lovely products to you. You could also contact me at Twitter or at Instagram at AllwaySunshine, and guys, you can follow me on those platforms too. So again, congratulations, Mari Carmen. See you guys in the next one. Much love for everybody and have a great weekend.